written tests for microbiology for barber students to pass the state board written exam. 1. Bacteria are minute blank that have a vegetable origin and cannot be seen with the naked eye. A. One-cell microorganisms. B. Allergy inhibitors. C. Drugs. D. Parasites. 2. Viruses are submicrobial microorganisms that are able to penetrate A. Other bacteria, B. Plants and animal tissue, C. Porcelain filter, D. All of the above. 3. Bacteria are also called A. Flagella and cilia, B. Spirilla and virus, C. Microbes and germs, D. Cilia and milia. 4. Head lice, pediculosis, and itch mites are A. Parasites, B. Insecticides, C. Pesticides, D. Disinfectants. 5. The body's ability to fight off infection is A. Strength, B. Immunity, C. Prevention, D. Sanitation. 6. There are two kinds of immunity. A. Born or gained, B. Natural and acquired, C. Strong and weak, D. Natural and gained. 7. Prevention of bacterial invasion in the barber shop or a salon could be achieved by A. Organization, B. Vaccination, C. Decontamination, D. Inspection. 8. Sterilization, disinfection, and sanitation are the three means of A. Organization, B. Decontamination, C. Vaccination, D. Inspection. 9. The strongest method of decontamination that kills all bacteria, including the bacterial spores, is called A. Sterilization, B. Sanitation, C. Disinfection, D. Vaccination. 10. The method of decontamination that is done by the use of disinfectant is called A. Vaccination, B. Sanitation, C. Sterilization, D. Disinfection. 11. Bacteria are classified as pathogenic and A. Harmful, B. Beneficial, C. Handful, D. Non-pathogenic. 12. Saprophytes are non-pathogenic bacteria that live in A. On the shampoo chair, B. Dead matter, C. Storage room, D. On combs and brushes. 13. Pathogenic bacteria that are round-shaped are called A. Bacilli, B. Spirilla, C. Cocci, D. Saprophytes. 14. Which bacteria is corkscrew or spiral-shaped? A. Bacilli, B. Cocci, C. Rhodella, D. Spirilla. 15. Rod-shaped bacteria are called A. Bacilli, B. Coco, C. Spirilla, D. Corkscrew. 16. What is the name of the branch of science that studies organisms known as microbes or microorganisms that are too small to be seen with a naked eye? A. Trichology, B. Microbiology, C. Anatomy. D. Physiology. 17. What are generally classified as microbes, viruses, fungi, protozoa, or algae? A. Microorganisms. B. Cell membrane. C. Mandible. D. Hyoid. 18. Bacterial moves around with the help of hair-like projections called A. Flagella and cilia. B. Comedones and milia. C. Cuticle and cortex. D. Mandible and maxillae. 19. There are two phases of bacterial growth, active or vegetative stage and A. Reactive and growth stage. B. Spore forming or inactive stage. C. Degenerative stage. D. None of the above. 20. Bacteria reproduces by direct division called mitosis during the A. Reactive and growth stage. B. Spore forming or inactive stage. C. Degenerative stage. D. Active or vegetative stage. 21. Barbers strictly have to follow the sanitation disinfection practices because the bacteria growth A. process is very fast. B. happens within 12-hour period. C. created by a single bacterium can produce 16 million microbes. D. all of the above. 22. Bacterial can grow in the presence of the following favorable conditions. A. Air, food, and water. B. Presence of proper temperature. C. Elimination of waste products. D. all of the above. 23. Once the favorable conditions are compromised, bacteria can become stationary or lie dormant, or can form a protective spore around it and stop reproducing until the conditions become favorable again. Examples: anthrax or tetanus bacilli bacteria. A. True. B. False. 24. There are two kinds of bacterial infections. A. Stationary infection and circular infection. B. Local infection and general infection. C. Physical infection and chemical infection. D. None of the above. 25. The ability of the body to fight infection by resisting invasion of bacteria and destroying bacterial once they have entered the body is called A. Heredity. B. Immunity. C. Flexibility. D. all of the above. 26. The natural resistance to disease that is partially inherited and partially developed through hygienic living is called A. Acquired immunity. B. Flexible immunity. C. Natural immunity. D. Resisting immunity. 27. Immunity that has developed after the body has overcome a disease or after vaccination is called A. Acquired immunity. B. Flexible immunity. C. Natural immunity. D. Resisting immunity. 28. A person who is immune to the disease but could carry the germs and will transfer the virus or bacteria from person to person without getting sick himself or herself is called A. Human disease carrier. B. Vaccinated person. C. Safe person. D. None of the above. 29. Plant or animal organisms that live on another living organism, drawing their nourishment from the host organism without giving anything in return, are called A. Insecticides. B. Non-pathogenic. C. Parasites. D. Pediculosis. 30. Fungi can produce contagious skin diseases such as ringworm or favus. Examples of fungi are A. Molds and mildews, B. Rusts and yeasts, C. Nail fungus, D. All of the above. 31. Itch mites, also known as scabies, can burrow under the skin, causing itching and inflammation. Itch mites are A. Plant parasites, B. Animal parasites, C. Molds, D. Mildews. 32. When a disease spreads from one person to another by contact, it is contagious, or A. Communicable, B. Non-pathogenic, C. Not a big deal, D. None of the above. 33. Chief sources of contagions that barbers need to be aware of are A. Unclean hands or implements, B. Open sores, pus, oral or nasal discharges, C. Shared use of drinking cups and towels, D. All of the above. The technical name for head or body louse is A. Bromidrosis, B. Hyperhidrosis, C. Pediculosis, D. Miliaria. 35. Disease-producing bacteria or viruses that are carried through the blood or body fluids, such as hepatitis and HIV, are called A. Blood-borne pathogens, B. Non-pathogenic bacteria, C. Bromidrosis, D. Hyperhidrosis. 36. Blood-borne pathogens can enter the body through A. A break in the skin, such as a cut, pimple, or scratch, B. The mouth, contaminated food or water, and the nose, breathing, eyes and ears, C. Unprotected sex, D. All of the above. 37. The body would fight infections with A. Unbroken skin, body secretions such as perspiration, B. Digestive juices, white blood cells, which destroy bacteria, C. Antitoxins and immunity, D. All of the above. 38. Aseptic means A. Free of disease-causing germs and microbes, B. Full of bacteria, C. Infected body, D. Pencil to heal. 39. The poison state of body caused by the absorption of pathogenic microorganisms and their byproducts into the bloodstream is called A. Aseptic, B. Sepsis, C. Free of disease-causing germs and microbes, D. Pencil to heal. 40. Submicrobial structures, small enough to infect other bacteria and plants, and will pass through the porcelain filter, are called A. Parasites, B. Scabies, C. Viruses, D. Sinuses. 41. Viruses capable to infect all plants and animals cause A. Common colds, respiratory and gastrointestinal infections, B. Influenza, measles, mumps, chickenpox, smallpox, C. Rabies, yellow fever, hepatitis, polio and AIDS, D. All of the above. 42. Hepatitis A is a disease of inflammation of liver, B. Present in all body fluids, C. transmits disease from person to person easier than HIV virus? D. All of the above. 43. Hepatitis A is a flu-like illness lasting about 3 weeks and has symptoms of yellowing of the skin and eyes, jaundice, fatigue, fever, abdominal pain, nausea, and loss of appetite. A. True. B. False. 44. Hepatitis B virus, HBV A, is a serious disease that can cause lifelong HBV infection, cirrhosis of the liver, liver failure, liver cancer, and death. B, is able to infect people without showing any symptoms. C, vaccine is available for disease prevention. D, all of the above. 45. Hepatitis C virus HCV progresses slowly. Symptoms include abdominal pain and fatigue, and vaccine is not available. It could spread A. through parenteral contact. B. blood transfusions with HCV contaminated blood. C. illegal drug injections and sexual activity. D. all of the above. Which of the hepatitis diseases are not widely spread in United States? A. Hepatitis A. B. Hepatitis B. C. Hepatitis D and E. D. Hepatitis C. 47. The virus that causes AIDS, which is life-threatening disease that compromises the immune system and passes from person to person through body fluids, is A. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. B. Hepatitis C virus, HCV. C. Psoriasis. D. Pediculosis. 48. A person can be infected with the following virus for 11 years without having any symptoms and could pass the disease to other people without realizing it. It is A. Human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. B. Hepatitis C virus, HCV. C. Psoriasis. D. Pediculosis. 49. HIV is not transferred through A. shaking hands or kissing. B. sneezing, coughing, or hugging. C. sharing household items like telephones or toilet seats. D. all of the above. 50. To avoid HIV infection in the barber shop, the barber should A. have cuts and sores. B. properly disinfect sharp implements. C. use the same razor blade on every client. D. all of the above. 51. ARC, that is characterized with chronic fatigue, unexplained chills, fever or night sweats, 10% or greater weight loss without dieting, skin disorders, enlarged liver and spleen, swollen lymph glands, and chronic diarrhea, is A. hepatitis virus. B. stage 2 HIV. C. psoriasis. D. hyperhidrosis. Avoid exposure and contact with another person's bodily fluids, especially blood, to avoid infection with A. AIDS and hepatitis. B. cholesterol and arthritis. C. pityriasis. D. hyperhidrosis. Your answers for this test: 1. A. 2. D. 3. C. 4. A. 5. B. 6. B. 7. C. 8. B. 9. A. 10. D. 11. D. 12. B. 13. C. 14. D. 15, A, 16, B, 17, A, 18, A, 19, B, 20, D, 21, D, 22, D, 23, A, 24, B, 25, B, 26, C, 27, A, 28, A, 29, C, 30, D, 31, B, 32, A, 33, D, 34, C, 35, A, 36, D, 37, D, 38, A, 39, B, 40, C, 41, D, 42, D, 43, A, 44, D, 45, D, 46, C, 47, A, 48, A, 49, D, 50, B, 51, B, 52, A,